Welcome to Agile Project Insights, your go-to space for mastering Agile, Scrum, and project management. In this session, we're diving into the origins of the Agile Manifesto and breaking down the four core values that laid the foundation of Agile practices we use today. Let's go back to February 2001. The world of software development was struggling. Projects were late, over budget, and rarely met the customer's actual needs. Developers were stuck in rigid plans, excessive documentation, and a command control mindset, all part of the traditional waterfall model. In response to this chaos, 17 thought leaders from different backgrounds like XP, Extreme Programming, Scrum, DSDM, Crystal, and Lean gathered at a ski resort in Snowbird, Utah. They had one goal: to find a better way to build software. And what came out of that meeting was revolutionary: the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto starts with a powerful statement. We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. Then they laid down four core values. The heart of Agile. 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Tools are useful. Processes matter. But people, talking, collaborating, sharing ideas, that's where the real magic happens. Agile puts human interaction at the center. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Instead of writing a 100-page spec document that no one reads, Agile says, "Show me the working product." Progress is measured by what's delivered, not by how many documents are produced. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Traditional models treat clients like outsiders. Agile brings them in as partners, working side by side, adapting as things evolve. The goal? Deliver real value, not just meet contract clauses. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. In a world where tech and customer needs change fast, sticking blindly to a plan is risky. Agile embraces change. It gives teams the flexibility to pivot when needed and stay relevant. More than 2 decades later, these values still hold strong, not just in software, but in product design, marketing, HR, and even education. Agile isn't just a process. It's a mindset. It's about adaptability, collaboration, and delivering value. If this helped you understand the heart of Agile, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Agile and Scrum insights. In our next video, we'll explore the 12 Agile principles that support these four core values. Stay curious, stay agile. See you in the next session.